So this is Nuno's 2006 BMW M6, and we converted it into an Alpina B6 GT3 car. Now, on the last episode, I said that today we'd be installing air jacks. As you can see, the car's quite clearly in the booth. So, how did we get here? You may have previously seen, but we built this E92 GT2 car in just 78 days, and we figured if we can build that car in that amount of time, why can't we build this? But to put things quite simply, the reason why this car hasn't got air jacks installed today is because we need help. We need our friend Jake. But he's very busy with his business and his family, which is understandable, but we can't put things to a hold. So, this car needs to get built. We have a track date booked. But for now, Nuno's got some shit to talk, so I can only apologise for that, but let's go catch up with him.
Man's been on job, man's been to the gym, man's been to the paint shop, man's been to Swift Performance, man's tired, get me.
You need to get over yourself.
But man's painted the inside of his car.
Silver.
Obviously, rat dog, innit?
It's supposed to be white.
The inside? No.
No?
Why would it be white?
It's supposed to be white, big man.
But why?
Because the underneath and the engine bay, it's white.
Yeah, I know, it's tricolour.
Okay.
And then the outside's about to go green.
Yeah,
Still.
tonight.
No, it was gonna, but like no.
Jumping out.
It's just not happening. It's just not. I've got to mask it.
Pussy.
It's 2 hours of masking.
Pussy.
Yeah, I'll take that.
We got Skid on job though.
Skid is on job. He is.
You're not on job.
Yes, I am. I've been on
pussy.
job all day. Look at this.
Oi.
What do you know about 3D scanning Alpina B6 GT3?
It's looking good.
It's looking good. Man said it's looking good. Anyway, so what's the plans? Come. So, to be fair, you know the plan. There's not much to speak about. There's not much to say. So the plan is mask all of this. Just finish the few bits of prep here and there that we've got to do, and then send a load of green on it.
Shall we have a look at the front of the cage?
What?
I just want to, because
What do you want to look at?
Obviously, you have 20/20 vision, and you're a pro painter, and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
We just.
Yeah, but how do you know that?
Oh, you can't really see it on camera.
Yeah, but how do you know that? How do you know that?
Nuno missed out half a cage.
I didn't miss out half a cage.
Half a cage.
There is a 2.5 inch section that I just in it.
Is there any more?
And I spotted it straight away. I see it straight away.
But you just left it.
Yeah, because I fucking baked it and done painting.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't leave it.
Very good.
Yeah. No, I don't run like that. I don't work like that. I just, yeah, it's a situation.
What have we got Skid here done?
So he's scanning the chassis at the minute for, wait for it, PPF.
Why?
Because no one has the E63 chassis as a pattern ready for their PPF to cut, so we can PPF it. So we'll make our own pattern, right? So we got the dots. Beep, 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 followed by a brief explanation from you on the voiceover as to how this works and why the dots are here.
Yes.
But all I know is that we got the beep, 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 beep. We got the dots.
So as Skid goes around the car, you'll notice these little circles placed all over the bodywork. They're tracking markers for the scanner, basically reference points that help it understand where it is, allowing it to build an accurate 3D shape of a car instead of having a complete meltdown halfway through. It's very clever stuff and definitely a lot more technical than watching us cut perfectly good BMWs apart. So if you do need anything scanned or reverse engineered, Skid's your man. Go show him some love and check his Instagram down below.
It's going off. And then tomorrow, so today's Tuesday, And then tomorrow we've got Peter Trander himself. Can you believe it? Can you believe Peter Trander? Peter Trander's coming here. The Peter Trander.
He won't.
Hold on.
He won't.
So the Peter Trander that doesn't reply to emails, doesn't reply to messages, doesn't answer his phone, doesn't reply to his own.
Did I show you this one customer that keeps messaging his Instagram and like day after day, hello, 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 hello.
The Peter Trander is coming here tomorrow, and Aaron's coming with him.
Oh,
yeah,
that's a spicy combination.
Yeah, because what they are going to try and do tomorrow, which I'm gassed for, is you got this loom. You can see it.
It's moved from here to there.
It has, right? So we've got the loom. We've got DCT gearbox on S58 engine. You see it?
Yeah.
Safe. They're going to try and talk to it.
No, I don't believe it.
Yeah, on the floor.
Like this?
Yeah, so Aaron's made a custom DCT loom already for it.
Oh.
They're going to plug it in. They're going to do that with the wiring. And they've got a DCT shifter. So you know in the last video you asked me, am I going to have to run all of that?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
So the spray booth's been on in the workshop and it sounds like an A380 is preparing for takeoff, so you've got me for now. And as Nuno's previously mentioned, Peter and Aaron have come over to do what they do best. Be complete nerds and somehow convince the loom and the gearbox to start talking to each other. Which, considering this car is essentially having an identity crisis, it's easier said than done. But there's been smiles, proper smiles, not the fake, yeah mate it's nearly there kind. So something's clearly working. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I know what's happening. We'll wait until somebody that actually knows can explain to you guys. However, Nuno is also currently painting the M6 shell. So let's head over to the booth and have a quick look at that.
Alright, so 8 minutes into the video, yeah? We done a thing. It's painted. Do they already know it's painted? Mm-hmm. Have we spoke about it yet?
No.
Okay, we're speaking about it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so I grabbed the paint gun.
Uh-huh.
I put some paint in a cup.
Uh-huh.
And I and then this is the end product.
No, you didn't do this. This is too nice.
It's actually alright, isn't it? It's come out okay. So, we've painted it, which shouldn't be new information to the people that know what we do. We've painted it. Now, if you look through there, you can see into the rear quarter panel.
Yeah.
There's a gap.
Yeah.
You see the gap?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you go over that side,
Okay.
come and look into this rear quarter panel.
Oh shit.
You see a bit of cardboard.
Yeah, it's paper. It's not cardboard.
Card.
It's not card.
We have to meet in the middle. This is card.
That's just brown.
It's paper card. It's like card paper.
It's literally what I use to wrap.
Yeah, but it's not paper. It's
paper.
Listen, it's card. It's like paper card.
Paper.
Anyway, it's card paper. So you can see here that we've got some brown substance that resembles paper or cardboard, you decide. And what I'm going to use this for is to template this situation and then cut some sections out of some like 0.5 mil carbon fibre that I've got, sheet. Do that, make good, put on this section, and in that way, purely cosmetic for no reason at all, but then I won't see through into the rear core panels.
Quick comment.
Comment.
If you're making a template,
Yes.
is it not better to use cardboard?
A template's a template.
But it's better to use cardboard, it's more solid.
Yeah, but it's harder to get a nicer finish on the cardboard because it is solid.
Yeah, but because that's paper, that's going to move and it's not going to be
It won't do, trust me.
think?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
But we're agreeing it's paper.
It's card. It's card.
We laughing at.
It's not cardboard, it's card. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Russ is doing some shit on the engine. Jake is making a bracket for the electronic power steering pump.
Jake's here.
Jake's here.
That's fucking wild.
Come.
Let's bully him.
No, let's not bully him. We've not seen him in like 4 months.
Bully me?
No.
4 months? It's not that long.
Yeah,
It's been a while.
The longest.
Wednesday last week.
Wednesday.
No way.
No, 2 weeks ago.
When did I take the engine out bracket?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, but you were here for like 5 minutes. Doesn't count.
No, I wasn't.
I've got an idea.
Go on.
Oh, here we go.
We need to evict that.
We need to what?
Evict.
Evict. Come. Come. Come.
Russ?
I didn't say it.
We need to evict.
No, don't kick the microphone. Anyway, this is why we make no money here, because we keep buying things that we constantly break. Anyway, we are filing for E46 Club Sport. No, that's not even a Club Sport, is it?
No.
Just
So once again, I'll save you from Nuno, and no, before you ask, there's still no silky smooth John voiceovers either. But whilst we're making carbon parts, we might as well go all in, right? Remember the E92 GT2 build that we done? The one where the doors turned up just days before the track day and only got fitted the night before we were meant to be driving the thing? Well, we'd quite like to avoid doing that again. The problem is, every team and manufacturer that we speak to either doesn't have spares, doesn't have stock, or looks at us like we're completely mad for asking. So we've decided to do the sensible thing. We're going to try and make our own. Because apparently we don't know how to make life easy for ourselves. So if you haven't been following the Carbon E46 series and you're curious how we actually make our carbon stuff, join us back here next Sunday at 8 PM and we'll dive into it properly. Now, whilst I've got the microphone and you're forced to listen to me, I want to talk about something that's generally brilliant, and that's you lot. More specifically, Footdog. I apologise if I've missed anyone, but Harry, Ethan, Alex, Ben and Kieran decided that buying a collection of Citroen C1s and Peugeot 107s, then driving them all the way to the Nürburgring, was a perfectly reasonable idea. For those that don't know, Andy's Man Club provides free support groups so men aged 18 and above can go and speak openly about their struggles in a non-judgmental environment, surrounded by people who've often been through similar experiences themselves. It's easy to joke around most of the time, but this bit matters. Hundreds of thousands of men take their own lives across the world every year. If you're struggling, speak to someone. A friend, a family member, a colleague, anyone. Talking isn't a weakness. It's one of the strongest things you can do. The Footdog boys have already raised over £4,000 for the charity, which is absolutely incredible and they should be extremely proud of themselves. The Just Giving page is still live, so if you're in a position to help, and only if you're in a position to help, they'd massively appreciate it. You'll find the link down below in the description.
37 days. Are we on? I can't see the light.
There's no light on this
Are
one.
we on? Anyway, so we're recapping and ending the video and update, hopefully, on what's to see next week. So this is how the car is as it stands. The shell's painted, inside, outside, boss. The spoiler mounts are on, the rear lights are on. I can't do anything else to that now until Peter and Aaron finish with this. This is the loom and the car. You guys can see. The DCT gearbox is plugged into it. They've made a custom loom. There's an OBD port somewhere. It talks to the computer. The DSC unit's plugged in. It's kind of crazy that how you see this is the guys are able to communicate as if like it's a full car. Diagnostics, the whole lot. So hopefully this week they finish all the coding and whatever they need to do, because then we can tidy the loom up, finish it and put it in the car. Until the loom's in the car, as you guys know from Jake's car, I can't do anything. The loom's got to go in, then the fuel tank. Fuel tank's still at ProTech. I'm hoping that they come up with a solution at some point this week. So next video, hopefully there's an update on the fueling system. So once I've got fuel and once I've got the loom, then the whole thing can go in. I've got some barrels there for wheels I'm going to start to make. We've started bodging some carbon doors. Depending on how that goes, will determine whether you guys get to see it or not. We've also got a load of these bits. From BMW. Motorsport parts. To start making the front arms and stuff. So they'll be going off to cam at some point between now and next video. I'll also be picking up the rear subframe. That's all done now. Cam's finished it with all my uniball bits and all of the solid rear end. So you'll get to see that. I had Unk do some work on the engine, but it's currently got a carbon bonnet and a carbon door panel on top of it.
That's it.
It's fucked. We ain't got enough time.
37 days.
We ain't got enough time. I'll tell you why we ain't got enough time. This is excuses coming out now. We ain't got enough time because Jake hasn't finished my engine mounts.
You can't blame Jake again.
No, we can. Jake's not finished my engine mounts. He's not finished my power steering support bracket. Peter's not finished the loom and the stuff. And John's fucking piece of shit is just here.
It is like bang in the middle of the workshop.
Oh, mate, I'm going to scrap it, honestly.
Anyway.
I should be on holiday, not these lot, me. Click, like, comment, share, subscribe if I deserve a holiday.